The government will support small and medium-sized enterprise in adopting AI through an enhanced digital transformation support pilot program. Together, these initiatives underline the government's determination to build a world-class AI and computing ecosystem and to work with every sector to translate technological strength into real outcomes for Hong Kong.
So looking ahead, Alibaba Cloud will continue to increase the investment in AI and cloud and preparing thoroughly for the readiness of the ASI era, which is artificial superintelligence.
We are excited to form the new partnership with Alibaba Cloud. Together, we will unleash the transformative power of AI for a smarter future.
今日個設計我哋都感覺到好新鮮、好 localize。希望我哋更多 local 嘅 solution 同埋更多 open source 嘅 solution 可以帶到俾大家。今日阿里雲呢個 event 咧節目好豐富啦，咁咧就係朝頭早都學咗好多嘢嘅。咁咧就係配合翻我哋業務上嘅需要啦。咁咧就係點樣去利用阿里雲咧去提升我哋嘅生產力。
今天这次活动呢，我感觉就是跟以往比起来是非常的不一样的，因为整体的感觉就是茶餐厅的一个主题嘛，也融合了阿里他们自有的一些产品，然后感觉的非常的不一样。比如他们的那个通义大模型啊，还有一些钉钉啊，他们都融合到他们这次茶餐厅的一些菜單裏面，然後感覺就是有香港的特色。
首先好多謝 Alibaba Cloud 嘅邀請啦，同 Alibaba 一直都有好多合作嘅。今日佢哋嘅 event 亦都搞得非常之出色啦，好有香港嘅特色啊！譬如有茶餐廳啦，亦都有奶茶啦、蛋撻啦，俾大家一個非常之好嘅體驗。
今日有唔同行業嘅一啲領導咧，去介紹俾我哋聽，阿里巴巴嘅產品可以點樣完美咁融合喺佢哋嘅工作business need 上面，增加佢哋嘅 business 效率。同埋加上今日有個茶餐廳嘅主題，亦都體驗到好多唔同嘅美食，非常之開心啊！
好啦，咁我相信咧，今日聽過阿里巴巴呢邊啦，同我哋去介紹佢哋新嘅 AI model 啦，同埋佢哋喺呢幾年喺個 AI 方面嘅發展咧，咁我相信亦都係可以借鑑到其他企業嘅一啲AI 嘅應用場景啦，咁從而令到喺我哋嘅公司，令到我哋嘅客戶體驗更加好，同埋可以令到我哋嘅工作效率更加高咯。